Hi, and welcome to today's crochet demonstration of how I put together this beautiful ocean sunset tapestry. Showing you the various shades of blue and aquas that I'll be using for the top and ocean. And make sure you stay till the end so you can see the finished product. It's going to be beautiful, and if you'd like to follow along, do so. I'll be using a yarn needle crochet technique. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm going to begin loading my needle with double strand of this acrylic yarn. I'm starting the horizon line, which is the dark blue. I am going to be using the front stitch, back stitch, which I have created. This is my own technique. And like I said, if you need more details, this is only a demonstration, but you can see as I'm stitching along, I'm going from front. Then once I get to the end, I flip it over, and I just keep going into the desired measurement that I'm looking for. But a little rule of thumb on this, if you want a particular size, give a little allowance because it does expand. So I was looking for about an 8-inch, so I only went the width of 7 to start. By the time I finished the completed background, it was exactly 8 inches. So just letting you know, if you ever want to try this, there is a little bit of a trick to it. So thank you for watching, and like I said, if you need more details on this, I'll be happy to do a more detailed video. Alright, I'm just going to keep going. The full background is done. All the colors are all stitched with this front stitch, back stitch pattern, and it'll look very nice once we get the background. And we'll do embroidery and applique as well. Thank you for watching, and thank you for following along. I enjoy having you here. Hey, this is what I have so far. The background, we have the sand, the shore here. I did all the stitching of the sky, breaking into the ocean, horizon line, going down in these different modelly colors, deep blues, soft blues, aqua, light aqua, a little bit of white. And then I have woven into this light blue, the darker blue here in spots, stitched and woven. Also stitched and woven a little bit of the yellow into the sand and shore. And then I made these little eyelets at top where I'm going to put the hanging dowel. Little piece of driftwood would be nice, but I don't happen to have that. But since this is a beach scene, that would be really nice. Here are the various colors of acrylic yarn that I used. And much more to come, because on the left and right hand sides I will be doing a foliage and floral framing scene here, which will be bringing you into the ocean background. So I'm going to continue doing all that crocheting and stitching. Meet me up at the end and I'll show you the final reveal of how beautiful this crochet ocean garden scene is going to be coming along, and I'll hang it up and you'll see how beautiful that will be. And I will also add some flowing fringe on the bottom to just make it a little more detailed. Size is roughly about 11 7/8 by 8. But with the fringe it'll be a little bit longer, all right? Stay tuned to the end, and thank you for joining me, and make sure you have subscribed, and thank you for being here on Art and Crochet by Kim. All right, catch you at the end of the video. Super excited to show you these beautiful tapestry wall hangings, crocheted, woven pieces that I did. That is the ocean garden scene, as you can see, with the greenery and the flowers. I have a landscape with a flowing river flowing down with the fringe, and a little miniature sunset one up here. We have shimmering sun with a shimmering reflection in the water, sand and shoreline, greeneries, flowers, and of course a flowing fringe. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Let me know in the comments what you think about these projects. If you want more instructions on how I crocheted them, wove them, and embroidered them, let me know, because this is just a demonstration and a bit of a show and tell. All right, I'll see you on the next video, and have a great day. Bye for now.